Good morning, students. Welcome to Mathematics class of 5th standard. In the last videos, in the exercise 1.1, you learn first main to fifth main questions. Let us move sixth main and the seventh main question. We solve the problems. In this video, I am going to learn sixth and seventh main questions. You see in your textbook, page number 14 and page number 15. In that page they given the questions, you follow. Now I start. Children, now we solve the sixth main, complete the table. Already they given here number, so that number we write in preceding and the succeeding number. Preceding means previous number or back number or a preceding. Preceding means whatever the given number, in that number we subtract 1. Then we get the answer, that one we called preceding number. Succeeding number. Succeeding number means whatever the given number, in that number we add 1, then we get the succeeding. In previous class you learn back and after number, like that type. But here we are using in 5th standard 5-digit numbers. So in that number we adding plus 1, we get succeeding, we subtract 1, then we get preceding number. We see one by one here, totally 5 numbers they given, we do one by one. So the first one number is 57,839. So in that number we subtract 1, then we get the preceding number. 57,839 is preceding number is 57,838. The succeeding, so this number we add 1, then we get the 57,840. 839, in that number we add 1, then get 57,840. So this is the succeeding number. See second one, second number is 18,376. In that number we subtract minus 1, then we get 18,375. So in that number we add 1, then we get 18,377. So this is the succeeding of 18,376. Now we go to third one, that number is 40,780. So in that number we subtract minus 1, then we get the answer 40,779. So this is the preceding number of 40,780. So in that given number we add 1, then we get the succeeding number 40,781. Now fourth one. So fourth number is 88,890. So in that we subtract minus 1, then we get the preceding number 88,889. So this is the preceding of 88,890. Now we succeeding of 88,890 is, we add 1, then we get the succeeding number 88,891. So now the last one number 13,585. So in that number we subtract 1, then we get the preceding 13,584. So in that number we add 1, 13,586. This is the succeeding number. Preceding is 13,584, the succeeding is 13,586. This type we solve the problems one by one. preceding and the succeeding number. Now we see the seventh one question. Follow the pattern and complete the series. Here one of the number they given the series, that one question 23,344, 23,444, 23,544. So this is the 5-digit numbers of the series. First we see what is the difference between two numbers. Continuous numbers, that numbers we take. First we find the difference between the two numbers. So first one number is 23,344. Second one is 23,444. First we do the subtraction. 23,444 minus 23,344. Then we get the difference. The difference between the two numbers is 100. Add 100 to get the next skip number. So here third one number is which one? Add 100 to get the next skip numbers. Then the last one, third one is, what is the number? 23,544. So in that number we add the difference. What is the difference? How much? 100. So we add 23,544. Then we get the next skip number. Okay. 23,644 is the next skip number. So this is the fourth skip number. Now we find the fifth skip number. What is the fourth one skip number? 23,644. In that number we add the difference again. Then we get the fifth skip number, that is 23,744. 23,644 we add 100, then we get the fifth one skip number, that is 23,744. So like this type we write the, fill the two skip numbers The fourth and the fifth skip numbers are 23,644 and 23,744. So fill two skip numbers in the blanks. 23,344, 23,444, 23,544, 23,644, 23,744. This time we fill the skip number. First what we do? First we do the difference between two numbers. That difference we add the last number, that third number. In that number we add the difference, then we get the fourth skip number. Fourth skip number, in that number again we add 100, then we get the last skip number. Like this type we find the skip numbers. Now we see second one. So the children now see the second question. Second one numbers they given series 15,790, 35,790, 55,790. Fourth and fifth numbers they are skipped. We find the skip numbers. First we take the difference between the two numbers. The difference between 15,790 minus 35,790, then we get the difference is 20,000. So this is the difference. Add the difference to get the next skip numbers. Here fourth one is skipping the numbers. Fourth one skipping back number is which one? 55,790. In that number we add the difference, then we get the fourth skip number. 55,790 plus 20,000, that equal to 75,790. This is the fourth skip number. In that number, in fourth number, 75,790, in that number we add the difference, then we get the fifth skip number, 95,790. This is the third skip number is 75,790. Fifth skip number is 95,790. So here 95,790. This is the fifth skip number. Now you complete the series. The fourth and the fifth skip numbers are 75,790 and the 95,790. Now we substitute the numbers in their places. Fill two skip numbers. 15,790, 35,790, 55,790, 75,790, 95,790. Now we complete the series. We substitute the blanks, then we complete the series. See the third one question. 88,888, 78,888, 68,888. Here given three continuous numbers and skipped fourth and fifth numbers. So we find the fourth and fifth skip numbers. First we find the difference between the two numbers. The difference between the two numbers, that is the 10,000. We subtract 88,888 minus 78,888, then we get the difference. So the difference between the two numbers is 10,000. Then we check, this is the which order, ascending or descending order. Ascending order means we adding the difference, descending order means we subtract the difference. So this is the which order? Descending order. So the series is descending order. Subtract 10,000 to get the next skip numbers. So we here in the third number, we subtract 10,000, then we get the fourth skip number. See here, the third one number is 68,888 minus 10,000, then we get the fourth skip number, that is the 58,888. 58,888 is the next skip number. So in that number again we subtract 10,000. 58,888 minus 10,000 equal to 48,888. 48,888 is the fifth skip number. So like this type we complete the series. Here the fourth and the fifth skip numbers are 58,888 and 48,888. So we complete the series. 88,888, 78,888, 68,888. The last two skip numbers are 58,888, 48,888. This type we complete the series. We see the next question, fourth one. See the fourth one question, 30,453, next number, second number is skipped here. Then third one number is 36,453. Fourth number 39,453. Again fifth number here skipped. So here not given the continuous number. First we take the two continuous numbers, that is third and fourth one. We take third and fourth number, we subtract, then we get the difference between the two numbers. So in this problem what? Not given continuous, so take third and the fourth number. The difference between the two numbers is 3000. So this is which order? Ascending order. So we add 3000 to get the next skip number. So what is the difference? Is 3000. Add 3000 to get the next skip number. So 30,000 plus 3,000. So first number is what? 30,453. So in that number we add the difference 3,000. Then we get the second skip number 33,453. This is the second skip number. Now we find the fifth skip number. That the fifth back number is fourth number. That number is 39,453. 39,453, in that we add 3,000, the difference, then we get the 42,453. This is the fifth skip number. The second and the fifth skip numbers are 33,453 and the fifth skip number is 42,453. Now we complete the series. 30,453, second one 33,453, 36,453, 39,453, 42,453. This type we complete the series. Now the last one, fifth one. Fifth one question is 58,600, 62,600, 66,600. Then here to skip the numbers. Fourth and fifth one. We take the continuous two numbers, first and second number. Then we got the difference between the two numbers is 4,000. So add 4,000 to get the next skip numbers. The third one number is 66,600. In that we add 4,000. Then we get the fourth skip number 70,600. 70,600 is the next skip number. In that again we add 4,000. Then we get the fifth skip number 74,600. 74,600 is the fifth skip number. The fourth and the fifth skip numbers are 70,600, 74,600. Now we complete the series. 58,600, 62,600, 66,600, 70,600, and the last fifth one is 74,600. Like this type we complete the series. Next we see the eighth question.